So today I'm going to be featuring this hair. As you guys know, I always do hair videos and I'm really interested in doing this hair. I've did maybe about 2 videos with a hair like this, a short one and a long one. But anyways, today's video is partnering with Hurela. This is my first time collaborating with them and I love their pink box. As you know, pink is my favorite color, well, one of my favorite colors. And my eyeshadow is pink today, so I'm going to be featuring this hair. I'm going to show you how I install it. Pretty self-explanatory like I always do. And I didn't really do anything too different. I just wanted to come and show you guys this hair because I feel like this hair is so cute and it's long. So yeah, these are all the items that came inside of the box, and it did come with an extra adjustable band. And this is how the wig looked straight out of the packaging. This is the inside. It's a 13x4 lace construction, and I did film this video in 2 separate days. So this is the first day, and as you can see, the hairline is very thick, so you will have to go in and pluck the hairline. Cutting off the ear tabs like I always do. What I do recommend is you can spray the lace with some lace tint, or also use some Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation in your desired shade. Now I'm going to hot comb the hair going back. You can do this after you pluck the hair, but I recommend that you pluck the hair first. And also bleach the front of the wig so it's going to melt properly. You're going to see what I mean because there is some knots on this wig. So this was the first day. Then I decided for the second day to go back in and actually stick this wig down using my holding spray. This is my Erickaj holding spray. I'm just going to spray my hairline. I did not spray my skin. I literally sprayed on top of the lace. And make sure that you comb it out so the hair is not getting stuck to the lace. I'm going to blow this on cool air. And I'm going to do my whole hairline. As you can see, the top of the hair is very thick, but also there's knots, so it's not blending in as I would expect it to. But you're going to see at the end of the video, this came out really good. So you can try doing this method along with me. And just take your time, do it in sections. This took me about 40 minutes maybe, well, with plucking and everything. I'm using the teeth of the comb just to make sure that I'm not making the hair stick down to my skin too much. And once I'm done, I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation in the color 14. I'm going in with the darker side of the foundation. And I'm going to just fix up the lace. I'm using my Got To Be High Insta Hold, and I'm going to lay the edges. I'm just taking it out, and then I'm going to trim it down and swoop.
Because you know just who you are. You know just who you are to me. I promise I will never leave, no. You know just who you are. You know just who you are to me.
Tell me I'm the only one. Tell me that this can't be love. Are your feelings for me real? My broken heart still hasn't healed. Not that I'm not trying to trust you, I just always watch my back. Cause boy, I'm not just anybody, so please don't treat me like that. I know a lot of niggas.
Then I'm going to tie down my edges with my Chop It Touches head wrap. I will have it linked down below if you're interested in getting one. And now I'm going to part my hair down the middle because I am going for a middle part. I'm plucking the part and you could see it's a little dark. So I'm just plucking it to make it a little bit bigger, and then I'm going to show you how I fix the part. I'm going in with my Kirah wax stick just to get rid of any flyaways at the top of my head. And then I'm going to hot comb it down nice and flat. I got this hot comb from Amazon if you're interested.
But I'm stuck on you like glue. It's so hard for me to move. This shit is old news. I already told you I'm not here to argue. You just make it hard not to. Can't you just be mine? I promise you'll be fine. All I need is one time. All I need is one time. This shit is old news. I already told you I'm not here to argue.
Biosilk Silk Therapy, and I'm gonna put a little bit in my hand, and then I'm going to rub my hands together. I'm gonna put it at the root area and also at the ends of the hair, and any extras could go at the front pieces. Then I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I just have some leftover concealer on my brush, and I'm just fixing up the part. And this is after I did my makeup. If you're interested in watching my makeup video, make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notification bells so you can see when I drop this makeup look. I'm going to curl my hair using my 1.5-inch flat iron by Babyliss, and I'm just going to curl it going away from my face.
I don't want to sound like I'm gassing you, but you got me on some stupid shit. That's what you got me on timing. I'm sweating you for real, and I don't care who knows. I want you, but maybe too much. And I don't wanna like no more pictures on your page. Girl, let's be real. Can we skip to the part where we're in loving and how it wants? Pull up on me and do the things that couples do. I don't have no more small talk left in me. I just wanna be your man. I just wanna be your man.
Love at first request, you had me at accept. Gotta come correct if I'm gonna be direct. You bad and I bad at the same time, baby, more or less. I'm speaking from Kevin's heart, I say it with my chest, you something different. I won't say I'm in love with you, it's a similar feeling. I'm down to make this shit a thing if you're ready and willing. Let's skip the chillin', let's get married, have gender revealings. I'm talking loads of children, you feel it?
Can we skip to the part where we're in loving and how it wants? Pull up on me and do the things that couples do. I don't have no more small talk left in me. I just wanna be your man. I just wanna be your man. You know I don't mind sweating you. Call me impatient, but I won't.
Alright guys, so I'm just going to finger comb the hair, and this is just going to make the curls melt together and mesh together. Alright you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you really like it, and if you did, do not forget to visit Hurela Hair. I will have all their links down below so you guys can check them out. Let me know if you like this hair color. I noticed that this is a very popular hair color now, so let me know if you've bought one of these before, or if you're gonna buy one of these, or if you're interested. This hair is actually really nice. It gave me minimal shedding. All I do recommend is that you bleach the knots at the front so it can melt a little bit better. You don't have to, because I didn't, but yeah, you have to pluck it as well just to give it a more natural look. But besides that, the hair is really nice. As you can see me running my fingers through, and you can see the curls. The curls are actually still intact right now. I literally just brushed it out so it's like bigger, but the hair is not straight. So this is how it came out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I told you, don't forget to visit Hurela Hair. I will have it linked down below, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.